2019 Volkswagen Jetta review. The 2019 Jetta is larger, much more comfortable and more tech-savvy. Early Volkswagen Jettas placed a solid emphasis on driving precision with an upscale personality. More recently, VW gave the Jetta a practical and comfort-oriented direction. Nonetheless, it came at the cost of refinement. It wasn't a technique we were particularly attached to. The redesigned 2019 Volkswagen Jetta looks to get an improvement, though. It continues the buzz toward greater size and comfort, but now quality was not so obviously sacrificed. The new Jetta is slightly longer, wider and taller compared to the outgoing model, that has a longer wheelbase and shorter overhangs. The exterior styling is much more distinctive, with sharp character lines, an increased grille, and also a much larger presence while traveling. There's more room and a comfort for front passengers, however the trunk is slightly smaller these times. The design is certainly modern day. The Jetta's lower trim levels come using a 6.5-inch infotainment screen with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The more expensive trim levels get an increased 8-inch screen plus VW's digital cockpit, a fully digital and customizable gauge cluster. Almost every Jetta includes useful driver safety aids, including forward collision mitigation and blind spot monitoring. For power, the Jetta carries on that has a turbocharged 1.4-litre inline for 147 horsepower which is connected to sometimes a 6-speed manual or perhaps an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration is fairly quick for that class. Along with the EPA estimates you get 34 miles per gallon in combined city highway driving, and that is slightly much better than last year. VW says it will offer a sportier GLI variant down the road. Overall, the revolutionary 2019 Jetta is really a solid small sedan. We think it's worth looking at alongside other top models including the Honda Civic, the Kia Forte as well as the Mazda 3. What's new? The 2019 Volkswagen Jetta is fully redesigned. The 2019 Jetta line could possibly be the way to go. It adds a great deal of desirable features towards the base Jetta S, including simulated leather upholstery, heated seats, a sunroof and 17-inch wheels. The line includes a black head-out front grille that's more visually appealing compared to the ungainly chrome piece. Trim levels and features. The 2019 Volkswagen Jetta is really a compact sedan which can be found in 5 trims. The base S aims to undercut its competition using a lower price point without features. The same model adds more convenience features, whilst the line has similar features though with different styling elements. The Saloon premium trims add enough tech to make the Jetta to a mini luxury sedan. All are powered by the turbocharged 1.4-litre 4-cylinder engine who makes 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The base S comes which has a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, by having an 8-speed automatic optional. The 8-speed auto is standard within the remaining trims. Highlights for the Jetta S include 16-inch alloy wheels, LED head and taillights, aircon, a 6.5-inch touchscreen-based infotainment system, a rear-view camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, a USB port, Bluetooth and also a 4-speaker head unit. An optional driver assistance package adds forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The Jetta C has those features as standard as well as a sunroof, a leather-wrapped tire, simulated leather upholstery, heated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and keyless entry with push-button start. If you will want a slightly different look, opt for your Jetta line. It has similar equipment towards the C, but it really rides on 17-inch alloy wheels and replaces the chrome grille and mirror caps with gloss black pieces. A unique rear bumper finishes the design. On the inside, contrasting stitching about the steering wheel and aligned badges remind you of you by the car. To help improve Jetta's traction when powering beyond turns aggressively, VW's XDS, a digital differential lock, is standard around the line only. With the Jetta City, buyers have a taste of luxury car life because of high-end features including adaptive cruise control, an 8-speaker Beats audio speakers, an alternative infotainment system by having an 8-inch display, satellite and HD radio, a totally digital gauge cluster digital cockpit along with an extra USB port. Other safety items including lane keeping assist, auto high beam control, automatic wipers, and auto-dimming rear view mirror are standard likewise. Oddly, the City drops back off to 16-inch alloy wheels, although you do obtain a 10-color adjustable ambient lighting system. A cold weather package can be acquired on say, Line and City trims. It includes a heated tire, heated rear seats, a heated windshield wiper park zone, heated windshield washer nozzles, and remote start. The City Premium is the icing about the cake for your Jetta line. It has the options from the cold weather package plus 17-inch wheels, leather upholstery, a power adjustable driver's seat with memory settings, plus a navigation system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S with this review provide our first drive from the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta S Turbo 1.4 litres inline 4, 6-speed manual, FWD. Driving. The 1.4-litre engine has no much pull below 2,500 revolutions per minute, however the manual shifts crisply. The automatic shifting is well suited towards the engine's power. Handling capability is stable, however the car's rear suspension design is not as sophisticated as of many rivals. Comfort. The Jetta rides smoothly within the highway. Thanks to revised contouring, the top seats are convenient than a year ago's. Interior. The all-new interior shows excellent quality. The seats' ergonomics are more at ease than before. Front seat passengers make use of more knee-room and shoulder room, though rear seaters may notice reduced legroom. Utility. Although our tri-trunk volume was shrunk, the 14.1 cubic foot capacity remains to be competitive with the class. Interior cubby space has risen, with larger door pockets and a bigger center console bin than before. Technology. An all-new interior boasts easy-to-use digital features, for example the touchscreen infotainment system as well as the digital cockpit. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto mean perhaps the base infotainment system isn't a penalty box.